How to Qualify for a Mortgage in Trinidad and Tobago, a comprehensive guide. With various financial institutions offering competitive mortgage options, understanding the qualification process is crucial. How to qualify for a mortgage in Trinidad and Tobago can be a significant step towards achieving your dream of homeownership. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and highlight some of the leading financial institutions in the region. Understanding mortgage options in Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago offers a diverse range of mortgage options, catering to different income levels and property values. For instance, the Trinidad and Tobago Mortgage Finance Company Limited, TTMF, provides up to 100% financing for first-time homeowners with incomes not exceeding $14,000 per month and property values up to $1 million. For higher income brackets, $14,001 to $30,000 per month, financing is available for properties valued up to $1.5 million with up to 95% financing. Steps to qualify for a mortgage. Assess your income and expenses. Calculate your gross monthly income and consider any joint applicants. List all monthly debt payments, such as car loans and credit card debt. Check your credit score. A good credit score can significantly improve your chances of approval. Ensure you have a history of timely payments. Gather required documents. Typically includes valid identification, proof of address, recent pay slips and job letters, bank statements for the past few months, income tax returns. For self-employed individuals, audited financial statements may be required. Choose the right mortgage product. Consider factors like interest rates, repayment terms, and additional costs such as legal fees and appraisal costs. Apply for pre-approval. Many banks offer pre-approval certificates, which indicate the maximum loan amount you qualify for based on your financial situation. Financial institutions offering mortgages in Trinidad and Tobago. Several financial institutions in Trinidad and Tobago offer competitive mortgage options. First Citizens Bank, known for up to 100% financing, low interest rates, and cashback incentives on residential mortgages. Trinidad and Tobago Mortgage Bank, TTMB, offers financing options tailored for first-time homeowners with specific income and property value criteria. Home Mortgage Bank, HMB, plays a crucial role in developing the mortgage market and providing liquidity to financial institutions. Scotiabank provides a range of mortgage options with flexible repayment terms and requires detailed financial documentation for application. JMMB Group offers up to 100% financing with additional financing for costs like valuation fees and legal costs. Republic Bank offers tailored mortgage packages with discounts on complimentary services for home improvements. RBC Royal Bank provides financing options for residents and non-residents with varying down payment requirements. Tips for a smooth mortgage application. Plan ahead. Start saving for your down payment and closing costs early. Improve your credit score. Ensure timely payments on existing debts. Consult a financial advisor. Get personalized advice on choosing the best mortgage option for your financial situation. By following these steps and understanding the offerings from various financial institutions, you can successfully qualify for a mortgage in Trinidad and Tobago and move closer to owning your dream home. Searches related to how to qualify for a mortgage in Trinidad and Tobago. Top 3 mistakes first-time homebuyers in T&T make. How to qualify for a mortgage in Trinidad and Tobago. Hidden costs of buying a home in T&T. Is it cheaper to build or buy a home in T&T? Best areas to buy affordable homes in T&T. How much down payment do you need to buy a home in T&T? Tips for buying a fixer-upper in Trinidad and Tobago. Buying land in T&T. What you need to know. Top 5 gated communities in Trinidad and Tobago. How to find the best real estate deals in T&T. Those topics will be covered in future videos. Please like, share, and subscribe for real estate tips. Houses for sale in Trinidad and Tobago at affordable prices. Townhouses for sale, homes for sale, and apartment rental in Trinidad and Tobago. T&T Homes for Sale. Call us today.